My name is Gary O'Toole and this is my wife Dolores O'Toole. We own Bunratty Castle Mews here in the lovely village of Bunratty in County Clare, and we've been here nearly 11 years running a pretty successful bed and breakfast business. We're open all year round. Our busiest part obviously is from around May till the end of September. You still get tourists during the winter months now as well, you know, the season has got longer. Yeah, business is pretty good. Things have definitely picked up again the last few years, and this area is a good area. We're beside Bunratty Castle and Folk Park, very close to Limerick City, Ennis and the Wild Atlantic Way. So we're just coming up to the end of July now, and it's exactly a year since we changed over to Calor for all our heating, water heating, cooking and clothes drying, and it's been very successful and we're very happy with it. We were heating 2 tanks of water every day, all day, and it didn't matter whether we had one person staying here or 3 people or we had a full house. We still had to have an oil burner on heating that water all the time. So that was probably the biggest major cost after electricity to us. When we spoke to Calor about it first, our biggest worry was we have 11 showers, and if people were all showering at the same time, which is unlikely, but it can happen. We were keen to ensure that everybody had hot water, that the water wasn't going to go cold halfway through the shower, which would have been a big no-no for us, and that was the biggest thing we had to be convinced on. We were assured these Rene water heaters were going to work. We put 2 of them in. We have 11 rooms, so one of them covers 6 rooms and the other one covers 5 rooms plus the laundry and kitchen. And they're there almost a year now, and we've had absolutely no issue with them whatsoever. We've had nobody telling us they've had cold water, and we have never not had hot water. Another big saving is because these 2 water heaters work independently of the main heating system, it means that the heating boiler isn't running during the summer months. We're only heating water as we need it on demand, and we don't have a boiler running heating areas that don't need heating.
The linens are washed every day. With these machines, it becomes very feasible that you do it yourself. It's not as arduous a task as it would have been before. You put a wash on before and you could be waiting an hour for it. Then you're waiting for the drying, then you're waiting to fold it, put it away, you know. The top loader is the washing machine, which is ideal for us, you know, rather than bending and feeding it from the front load. So it's very handy that way. And the water is going in hot. The cycle is shorter than your normal washing machines, and the dryers, because of the capacity, they're drying much quicker. Well, the huge difference is the time. We're saving loads of time on it. This morning now it's just after 11 and I'm ironing my stuff. So all my washing, all my drying is nearly finished. So that's the huge plus on it.
The single biggest benefit has been water heating, which means we have hot water on demand at all times of the day, every day, and we've had no issue of having somebody coming along and telling us they've no hot water, or we have had no hot water for our own use. It's been very successful.